Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Golden English. I'm Luke.
Hi, friends. I'm Molly. I'm so happy to see you today.
Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about how to sound like a native English speaker.
Yes, many learners want that. Some think it is very hard, but don't worry. Today, we make it simple and fun.
By the end of this episode, you will know 5 easy secrets to sound more like a native, and you will practice with us.
Yes, you will feel confident. You will see, English is easy.
Friends, relax, smile, and get ready for fun learning. Molly, tell me, when you started learning English, did you try to sound native?
Yes, but it was so hard. I tried to copy movies, songs, and sometimes I said funny things.
Oh, really? Like what?
One time I said I have cold instead of I am cold. My friend laughed so much.
That's nice. Don't worry, we all make funny mistakes. That's part of learning.
Yes, and sometimes learners try too hard. They sound like robots.
Exactly. English is fun, alive, and natural, not robotic.
I like that. Small secrets, big difference, and some laughs too.
Let's explain why many learners don't sound native. They speak too slowly or too fast. They stress the wrong words. They don't link words. They use very formal English. They don't listen to real English every day.
Wow, that's a lot. But don't worry, friends. Today, we'll fix it step by step.
Secret number 1, reduce small words using contractions.
Can you explain, Luke?
Yes, in English, we often shorten words. It sounds natural. Examples: I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. I will, I'll. You will, you'll. Do not, don't. Will not, won't. Going to, gonna. Want to, wanna. Practice. Repeat slowly. I'm gonna eat pizza. Don't worry, it's easy. I'll help you. Repeat faster, as if speaking to a friend. Extra examples. She's very happy. They're coming soon. We're going to the park. I'll call you later.
Smile while you repeat. It makes learning more fun.
Secret 2. Link words together.
Can you explain more?
Sure. In spoken English, we connect sounds. Examples: what are you? Whatcha? Do you want? Do you wanna? Let me. Let me. Give me. Gimme. I don't know. I don't know. Going to? Gonna. Want to? Wanna. Practice. What you doing? I'm gonna eat. Do you wanna play? Let me see. Gimme that. I don't know. Fun conversation. A. What you doing? B. I'm gonna eat pizza. Cool. Let me join you. Quick fun break. Friends, say, I love learning English.
Say it like you mean it.
Wow, that's nice. Keep smiling. Secret 3. Stress the important words.
How do we do that?
Some words are strong, others weak. Stress the important ones. Examples: I love pizza. She is very tired. We go to the park today. He plays football every day. I want a coffee. Practice. I love movies. He plays basketball. We watch TV at night. Repeat exaggerating stress to feel the rhythm. Fun tip. Pretend you are talking to a very excited friend. Secret 4. Copy the rhythm and intonation.
Like singing?
Exactly. English has a musical rhythm. Accent, weak, weak. Examples: how are you today? Rising tone. I'm very happy. Excited tone. What do you want? What you want? I can help you. Calm and sure. Practice. Imitate a native speaker, word by word, then phrase, then mini conversation. Add emotion and energy like in a movie scene.
Secret 5. Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes per day helps if you repeat the 4 previous secrets. Practice. I'm gonna go to the park. Don't worry, it's easy. What you doing today? Repeat with contractions, stress, and natural rhythm. Fun tip. Turn each sentence into a mini game or conversation with a friend. Fun round. Repeat with energy. I'm learning English. What you doing? I love coffee. I'm very happy. I'm going to school. Don't worry, it's easy. Let me see. Give me that. I don't know.
High five! You sound great!
Our question today. Which secret will you practice today? Write in the comments.
We can't wait to see your answers.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed it and feel more confident speaking English.
Yes, friends, you are doing amazing. Every small step you take helps you get better.
Exactly. Your help makes it possible to teach English to learners everywhere.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss our lessons.
Keep practicing every day. You're improving with every word.
See you next time on Mr. Golden English. Bye, friends.